Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from a lot of the other videos that I have on my channel. I don't think I've ever done a video like this, but I don't want to say I'm trying to live a minimalistic lifestyle because I don't think I can get to that phase just yet, but I'm trying to get to as close as I can of living more minimalistic and not having so much clutter in my life, in my house, in my space. And so today I am starting with my closet. My closet has way too much clothes that I don't even wear. Like, they're literally just sitting there taking up hanger space. I'm running out of hangers and I'm like, I'm not buying any more black felt hangers. I am just going to get rid of some of the clothes that I have in my closet because I don't even wear them. So I just thought I'd share the process with you guys because I don't know why. It's like so hard for me to let go of clothes. Like, girl, you haven't worn that in over 6 months. Let it go. Let it go. Come on with me and let's see how much I can get rid of. All the clothes that I get rid of, I'm going to send them to Haiti. To those who are less fortunate than I am, I'm sure they will love all of these clothes that I'm about to get rid of because a lot of them are not like, my clothes are not worn down. Everything feels good as new. Some of them still have tags on them and that's ridiculous. If you buy something and leave it in your closet for 6 months or over a year, let it go. Let it go. Please, y'all, bear with me. This might not look like a lot to you guys, but it's a bit much. All right, so come on, please come help me. Welcome to my closet of things that I never wear. Well, some of them I do wear, some of them I don't. We're just gonna go through one by one and just start getting rid of things. I thought about just taking everything out the closet. I don't really know what method I'm gonna do yet. If I wanna just take everything out and then put everything back in that I want or that I genuinely feel like I would wear, or if I should just go through section by section and just take out the ones I don't want. So currently the way I have things organized is kind of by category and color. Like work shirts would be right here, and then one-piece bodysuits, like things like this or this, are in this section, like all the bodysuits. And then dressy clothes here. And then we have like, I don't know what that is. I don't know what I was doing here. And then we have like jackets over here, bags over there. And these are all dresses. And then we have a couple of whites over here. Like it's just, I don't know. Then we got like 2-piece sets. Anything that has a set is over here. And pajamas in this little section. So I think what I'm gonna do is go through by section, like look at each item individually and ask myself, have I worn this within the past 6 months to a year? And if I have not, it's gonna go. So that's the rule of thumb. Let's see how this goes. How's that up there? Is that too high? I don't know. I think y'all gonna have to watch me from there. Are you guys comfortable right there? Yeah? Okay, perfect. So I got this shirt probably a year ago, never worn it. Tag still on it. Pointless. This shirt I love, so I'm gonna keep it in here. I wear this a lot. I do still work here during tax season, so I'm gonna keep all of these just because I need them. This doesn't even belong to me. This is, I haven't worn it in a minute, but I feel like I might need this. This is gonna be harder than I thought. I don't know, I just feel like everyone should always have a dressy black shirt. I'm gonna keep this, but I can't do this, I can't do this. All right, no, I do not need 2 black shirts. So I'm gonna get rid of one of them. I'm gonna keep this one and get rid of this one. And so that's what the process will be. Let's see how much I can get out of this first little section right here. I literally never wear this, come on. Things like this, I would keep even though I haven't worn them in a while, but that's just because it doesn't get cold that often in Florida. But when it does get cold, I don't want to not have any winter stuff, you feel me? So I'm gonna keep things like this because I do wear them during the winter time. As y'all can see, I love my turtlenecks. This top is so cute. I'm sure y'all have seen this. It's like a TikTok top, but it never really fit me right. I think I'll try it on. If it doesn't fit, then it's gonna go. This Listen, if I go skiing again, I need this, okay? I can't let it go. This I haven't worn, but I'm not sure if it fits me, so I'm gonna have like a pile for things that I need to try on, and if they don't fit, goodbye. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real amazing. You wanna get with me, stop. Listen, when coat season pops out and I roll out with these coats, listen, I be showing out with this little jacket right here. I need these, and this trench coat. I love these types of coats. All right, and these are just ponchos. So we got one side cleared. Let's move on to the next side. This is not as hard as I thought it would be. I always felt like sticking around the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like comes with the aching and getting under my skin. All right. So these from that section I'm giving away. This I'm going to try on and see what it gives. All right, next section. I have been holding to this shirt for the longest just because it was sentimental to me and it has my name on it. It's from like when I was on the step team in high school. I think I'm ready to let it go. Somebody's gonna be wearing a shirt with my name on it. They don't care. I'm ready. Let it go. Let it go. I have sectioned this off into 3 different piles. This is the pile of things that just don't belong to me. Like that's Imani's, my cousin. And then I think my brother has sweaters in here. So we have to figure out whose is whose. And if they want it, they can have it. If not, I'll give it away. This is everything that I am just getting rid of. And then this is a pile of things that I have to try on to see if they fit. And if they don't, they'll go into this giveaway pile as well. So progress has been made. The closet still looks pretty full from this angle, but as you can tell, there's a lot more like empty space. Like that's a big empty space. This is a lot more spacious. So I'm thinking I'm going to keep the organizing by category thing going on still, but also organizing each category by color. And so I don't know, that's just what's been working for me like my entire life, just keeping them in categories instead of having everything jumbled up into one, like all black pants, all black shirts, all black everything together. I think I'm gonna just keep them by category. So like my snow gear right here, my coats right here, my sweaters and stuff right here, but still keeping them in color coordination. So like all my black sweaters, all my brown sweaters, like that. I've already kind of started with this little section right here. So I'm just filling everything in by category. And I found this little chart on Pinterest, which is what I will be using as far as the color coordination goes. It just tells you what color to put all your clothes in. That makes it look most aesthetically pleasing. So let's do it. Next, I'm going to work on long sleeve shirt in this section right before the sweaters. I mean, right before, yeah, the jackets and sweaters. So we'll do the long sleeve shirts over here. And as you can tell, I love this neutral nude color. Like I have a lot of those types of long sleeve shirts. And according to this chart, pink should go here. And then greens are somewhere behind. And then we've got the dark browns, which normally I would have put it closer to this brown, but I'm gonna just use this chart and see how I like it. If not, I'm gonna switch it up. We've got black towards the end. We've got our blues after the pinks, but before the greens. Of course, the whites in the beginning. And then this one, I don't know, things like this kind of mix me up because I feel like it's predominantly white, so I'm probably gonna put it in the white section instead of the blues. And then this one I'll put with the browns but closer to the black, in between the browns and the black, so that one fit perfectly. All right, so those are all my long sleeves for this side. Now let me check this side to see what long sleeves I have over here. Now I'm going to try to evenly space them out. So just to kind of give you guys a closer look, just so that they're not like all looking retarded like this. I know when I used to work at Abercrombie, which is a retail store, they literally had us hang everything like 2 finger widths apart so that it just looks a lot more organized. So that's what I'm gonna do with this section. And then I'll go to probably the short sleeve shirts.
So low, so low, so low, so low, so low.
Alright, so this section is complete and I'm loving it already. Now I am going to go into my dresses. I'm so low. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my dresses section. I think I'll move my two-piece sets back here next to the dresses, and then my short sleeve shirt can go like right before the long sleeve shirt. So this is what we're looking like so far. Still probably looks the same to y'all, but I feel great. So I am pretty much complete with this project. I feel very accomplished. It still looks pretty full, but it's honestly a lot less cluttered. And then right here, I think I'm going to not hang my pants and stuff just to keep this as like empty space. And then of course I have my PJs over here. I don't have many PJs because I usually wear like shirts to sleep, but I do want to start wearing like silk pajamas more often, become more womanly. And so all I really need to tackle right now is these clothes that are on my bed. I'm going to take the hangers off of the clothes that I'm getting rid of. I am going to try on the clothes in that try on pile. Whatever doesn't fit will go to Haiti, and then those clothes will find out if their owners want them. If not, they will also go to Haiti. And that's pretty much it. So let's go try on these clothes. Come on. The lighting is terrible right now, but this is kind of cute. It's kind of loose on the sides and something in me tells me to give it away, but this is cute. I'm gonna keep it. I don't care. I'm keeping this. This actually fits. I'm not sure why I never wear it. It's a cute little bodysuit type of thing that I got from Fashion Nova. Waited to pick up Kyrie because I'm a cool mom. I'm a cool mom. I'm a cool mom. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this, but it's giving no. Send it to him immediately. This dress is a little bit loose, but it's definitely doable. Like everything don't gotta be tight all the time. This I could work with. I could work with this dress. I love the little rhinestones. I love the back. It's giving bougie. I like this. Wow, this used to be so loose on me and that's why I never wore it, but it fits. Your girl getting thick. Your girl getting thick. It's a little loose on the arms, but that's not that big of a deal. I really like this. This try on is turning into keep everything, keep everything, keep everything. And so that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. If you want to declutter your life, I would definitely start with your closet. If you feel like you have too much clothes or clothes that you don't even wear, get rid of them. Let it go, let it go. I can't see. But yeah, get rid of anything that you don't wear, and I'm going to try to keep my closet to a minimum. So if I ever do feel like I need to go shopping, I'm going to try and honor the 1 in, 1 out rule. So if I buy 2 new items, then I'll get rid of 2 old items that I barely even wear, just to keep it minimal. I'm over the phase of caring if people think that I repeat outfits. Like, these are my clothes. If I want to repeat them, I'm gonna repeat them. If you see them in a video again, okay. If you want to send me clothes, fine. But if not, don't worry about what I'm wearing. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, definitely let me know, because I plan on doing the same thing with my drawers. I still have clothes in there, but that's a whole nother video for a whole nother day. So let me know if you guys want to see that process. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.